on the program conversion of lowercase to upper or upper to lower. Okay, so for this, first we know that there is ASCII value of every character, symbols, etc. Okay, so the ASCII character of capital A is 65. Okay, and the ASCII character of small a is 97. Okay, so ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Here you can see ASCII value of A is 65, B is 66, and so on to Z equals to 90. This is the ASCII value of capital letters. Okay, now ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, full form of ASCII. Value of A is small a is 97, small b is 90, and so on, so on. Small z is 120. Okay, so the difference between small a and a will be 97 minus 65. The value of small a is 97 and capital A is 65. So the difference will be 32. Okay, means when we will subtract 32 from small a, so what will happen? We will achieve capital A. Okay, and when we will add 32 with capital A, the result will be small a. Okay, so how we will convert capital letter to small letter or small letter to capital letter? Okay, so this is our class, public class, case conversion, public static void main. Here is the scanner in equals to new scanner. You already know about this function. Means we will give the input to the system at the time of the running of the program. Here we declare ch as a character variable, variable declaration. Here system.out.println, enter any alphabet. Okay, here ch equals to in.next dot char at 0. It means when we will give this function in.next dot char at a, means first character, means first, suppose you are writing Amit, A-M-I-T. So the first character of Amit is A. It will store on the variable ch. Okay, okay. When you will give any input, so it will store in ch. Okay, so it will take first character, means char at 0 means first character of any word. Okay, it will store on ch. Next, it will check if ch is greater or equal to 65 and ch is less than equals to 90. Means character is greater or equal to 65 or less than equals to 90. Means it will be capital letter. Okay, if it will be capital letter, because the value of every capital letter is from capital alphabet letter from 65 to 90, so it will lie in this condition. Okay, so then what will happen? ch plus 32, it will be in character, means here it will convert into character. Okay, ch plus 32 means, suppose the value of ch is, we have if you want to give a, so it will convert a plus 32 means capital A. Okay, ch plus 32 means a plus 32 means the value of a is 65, small capital A is 65. It will add 32 means it will 97. So the value of 97, ASCII value of 97 represents small a. Okay, it will convert small a. If this condition does not satisfy, then it will go to the else condition. then it will minus 32. It means the value will be capital. Suppose the value of CH is 97. 97 minus 32 is 65. Okay, 97 represents small a. So small a minus 32. Small a means 97 minus 32 is 65. 65 is the value of capital A. Now we will run this program. Here, click on run. Running process is going on. Here, enter any alphabet. Enter. Suppose you are giving the alphabet small a, press enter. So here it converts small a to capital A. Okay. Now again we are run this program. Here enter any alphabet. We are giving capital A, press enter. It will convert capital A into small a. Okay. Now again we are run this program. Enter any alphabet. Suppose we are writing any name or any word AMIT. So it will take only first character. Here the condition. Here char add 0. We are giving the word AMIT, but it will take the first letter. First letter means AMIT. First letter of Amit means A. Okay. Now A will store in CH. Here A will store in CH. Now CH it will check A. Okay. Only it will convert small a to capital A. Okay. So students, do it in your system. Okay.